Good evening. Alright, so I was thinking, are the Gerber replaceable wire cutters that bad? Well, we're going to find out this evening. Right here is number 8 60-pound jack chain. This is 55-pound wire. This is 200-pound wire. This is 18 2-stranded copper wire. And 3 different size zip ties. I'm going to start with the hard stuff first, just because I want to show that the zip ties can be cut after you cut the hard stuff. These Gerber replaceable cutters have a reputation for shattering. I've had one cutter break, but I don't know if that's indicative of all of them, so I'm going to go ahead and just go crazy here, and if I have to order new cutters, that's fine. First tool I'll use is the older style non-replaceable cutters. So we'll start with the jack chain. So no problem with that. Alright, next will be the regular wire. No problem with that. The extra strong 200-pound wire. Nothing wrong with that. 18 2-stranded. Just fine. Thicker zip tie. Yep, no problem. Medium zip tie. Yep. And little bitty zip tie. Yep, no problem. Alright, that's the non-replaceable cutters. Now, I'm going to try these out. I'm not going to give them any slack. I'm going to do exactly what I did with the other one. So, we'll get the jack chain. Alright. Cut the jack chain just fine. Alright, we got 50-pound wire. 55-pound. No problem. 200-pound wire. Yep. Alright, now for some copper stranded wire. Yeah, not quite as good as the regular cutters, but get you by in a pinch anyway. Thick zip tie, no problem. Medium zip tie, no problem. And thin zip tie, no problem. So you can see both of these perform quite well. When I broke one, it was cutting a hardened nail, which you should never do with a multi-tool cutter anyway. So that's my quick Gerber comparison between the replaceable and non-replaceable wire cutters. Have a nice evening.